we have to solve this using factorization method. Here, the first thing I'm going to apply here is to multiply this leading coefficient by the constant, and I'm going to have here 2 multiplied by 3, that will give me plus 6. Then the next step, I'm going to look for 2 possible factors of 6 that multiplies and give plus 6 and add up to minus 7. Therefore, select these factors be minus 6 and minus 1. If you multiply minus 6 times minus 1, you get plus 6 exactly. Then if you add up minus 6 plus minus 1, you get minus 7 exactly. Now the next step, I'm going to replace minus 7 by the sum of these 2 factors, and the equation becomes 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3 equals 0. Now, I'm going to factor the left-hand side expression by grouping. Therefore, I'm going to have here 2x squared minus 6x minus into x plus 3 equals 0. Then as such, I'm going to factor out the common factors in each bracket. And I'm going to have here that in the first bracket, what is common? 2x is common. Then as such, I'm going to factor out 2x. And I'm going to have here 2x into x minus 3 minus, then in the second bracket, what is common? 1 is common. Then so I'm going to factor out 1. I'm going to have here 1 into x plus 3 divided by minus 1. That to give me minus 3, and this equals 0. Then as such, since these 2 brackets are the same, I'm going to pick out one of them and pick out the 2 external factors, and the equation becomes 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals 0. Then here, it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have here 2x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. Then as such, here, x equals 1 over 2, or x equals 3. And these are the 2 possible values of x that will satisfy this quadratic equation here on the board.